Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have admin access and the new VPN details. This saves interruptions. Open Start, choose Settings, then Network and Internet, and select VPN. Click Add a VPN connection as the first actionable step. When adding, pick the proper VPN provider and enter server name or address. This is crucial because the address directs traffic. Once done, select the VPN type and sign-in info so Windows can authenticate you automatically without repeated prompts. Now you configure the detailed fields. This is where choices matter. Choose the VPN provider and protocol. ICAV2 is stable, L2TP adds compatibility, and SSDP works through strict firewalls. Enter the server address exactly and give a clear destination name so you can find it later. Pick the sign-in method, username/password for simplicity, certificate for higher security, or smart card when available. Make sure to toggle Remember My Sign-In Info if you want seamless reconnects. Finally, connect and verify that traffic routes through the new VPN. Check your IP address or region to confirm. If connection fails, first re-enter credentials and confirm protocol matches server settings. Mismatch is a common cause. Next, inspect Windows Firewall and any third-party security software that may block the protocol. If problems persist, open Event Viewer and run ipconfig/all to capture errors. Those logs help you or support identify authentication, DNS, or routing failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.